Hey, Robert, good afternoon. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. Hope you had a good day today, and I'm delivering here on the screencast I promised you for your data path solutions. Looks like you've been in business a couple, 2, 3 years. This obviously is a little bit more of a it's a competitive market, as you know, for this in Denver. Not to say that that's a bad thing, but definitely did quite a bit of research and figured out what's going on for you guys here. So let's take a look. Obviously, we've got your website up here. There's your home page. Got a lot of technology here on your pages. One thing I noticed, make sure we're on home page, is Google really likes to see 1,500 words or more on your homepage in particular. The competition actually doesn't have quite that much. One of them has 1,200, the other one has 1,300. You guys only have about 600 or 700 words here actually on your homepage. So that is the first thing that I would recommend, and the first thing that number one component is content. So 1,500 words or more on your homepage really gives you good graces in the eyes of Google. That's actually the number one thing that you can do today to change that. So that would be relevant content on your homepage that has some keywords. The second thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks today. And then the third thing is citations. So those three things are your top three things: content, backlinks, citations. Now if I take your URL here and put it into my tool, which is called Ahrefs here, and you're welcome to go on here. You can probably get a free, I think they have a 2-week free account on there, ahrefs.com. So if we put datapathsolutions.net in here, it shows you exactly what's going on with the website. Your UR rating shows the strength of your target's page link. And then this is for the domain rating, is actually the whole entire website's backlink profile compared to others in the database. So these two numbers are important. You only have a 2.9 here. We definitely want to get that boosted up. And we'll also boost the UR, but it's primarily because of the backlinks that you have. So these 88 backlinks are only coming from these 4 referring domains. And here are your 4 referring domains. Almost everything is coming out of Vibrant Health, Colorado. And it looks like that is actually a website that you guys created. So kind of ironic, but that's where most of your organic backlinks are coming from. So thought I'd point that out for you first thing. Second thing is organic keywords. We can talk about that. We can definitely add keywords. But more importantly, again, the backlinks. So I went in and took a look at the competition that you have. And so I did a Google search for IT support Denver. And I also did IT companies Denver, a few different words just to get the right keywords for the people coming up in Denver, the different companies. So this Neumann is number 1 in the Google search. So as you can see, their UR and DR, they don't have too much higher than you at the 3.4, but 905 backlinks coming from 115 referring domains, and a significant number more of keywords, of course. So that gives you a little comparison there. This is a quick look at their website. They have got only about 1,000 words at the most here. I then went to Iconic IT. They have about 13, almost 1,400 words on their homepage here, which is a contributing factor for them. However, when I put them in the tool, they have some pretty high numbers too. So over 13,000 backlinks coming from 1,400 domains and almost 11,000 keywords. So these guys are really kicking stuff out at a high pace. Down here, their follow links, their backlinks, 70% are do follow and 20% no follow, which is also significant. And then let's take one more look here. Then I pulled up my IT guys team, my new IT guys, this is what their numbers look like. They're in the 3rd position. So 790, well, 27 and 21 on your URDR. 791 backlinks from 98 referring domains. So you got about 80 backlinks coming from averaging each from one of the referring domains and 2,500 organic keywords. So again, if we bought back to where your site is looking right now, as of today, 12 and the 2.9, 88 backlinks. So this is just a question really of building your backlinks. I also have some special things I can do to give you power. We definitely need to go through organic keywords and start positioning yourself under the organic keywords with content. And then citations was the 3rd thing that we talked about. So citation is your business name, IP address, phone number, and email. Those 4 pieces of information that all are congruent and look the same across all of the different places on the internet. So it could be in IT publications, it could be in directories, could be in blogs, articles, any of those kind of things that will qualify as a citation or a quality backlink, depending. And so those really are the top things for you, my friend. Feel free to take advantage of these. Add content, get some backlinks going, throw some citations out there in the world, and you'll begin to rank. If you'd like for us to take a look at what we can do to do those things for you, feel free to get back to me. Again, Troy Brown with TLC Web Marketing, 720-561-1800. Thanks so much.